If you're watching this right now, this video was meant to find you. God needed you to hear this immediately. He sent me directly to you to show you what he has to say because I want you to understand that you are ready now. I am here to encourage you to start whatever you want to do that you can't stop thinking about now, today. Start planning for it at the very least and get ready, because if you're waiting for the right moment or the right amount of money or the right circumstances or context or age, it's never going to come. You will never be ready. You are ready right now. You are as ready as you will ever be right now. And the fact that you can't stop thinking about this thing, this goal, this hobby, this business idea, whatever it is, that inspiration is a gift from God for you to take action on, because faith without works is dead. And if you want to actually receive this or do this or live this idea, you need to make it happen. God will make it happen for you, but you need to contribute by taking action in some way or another. If you have an idea, do it. If you want to pursue something, pursue it. If you have a business you want to start it. This is your permission slip to do that. I am encouraging you to do so. I want to hear what that vision is in the comments. Let me know and let's support one another, because this is just a sign from God that you need to do it. If I could shake your shoulders right now through the camera, I would. This is an obvious sign. So you are ready, okay? Do not be afraid. I know it's uncomfortable, but you can't get the things that you want unless you're willing to be the person who has them. So God wants you to show up how you're actually meant to show up to achieve this success or this vision of yours. You can't achieve it by doing nothing and staying the same. That's your involvement, is to show up in a way that honors your gifts, that devotes your life to God, that inspires and motivates you. Whatever it is that allows you to take action, tap into that, because willpower and discipline is not enough. Your love for God should be all you need, and He wants you to do this. It is a divine order from God. So I am wishing you all the best, but God is with you every step of the way, my friend. So put "I am ready" in the comments right now if this resonates, and go after your dreams. I believe in you so much, but remember, God believes in you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.